Brad Williams, XL Prime. Customizing the filter. And what we want to do is take a look at this custom auto filter where you can modify based on different criteria. So what we do is just highlight a cell, go to, first of all, because this is in sequential order, I need to copy, paste special, and then just click the down arrow, and you're going to hit number filter, and you're going to see the different options here. And if you want a greater than or equal to sort, you hit that particular feature, and then you list what you want to sort. And you have a lot of different options there. You can change this to greater than or less than or contains. Another nice custom auto filter feature that allows you to use a microscope, if you will, on your sorting or your filtering. Now, let's say we want to filter this, just show all items that are red. We just go color, text filters, custom filter equals, and we'll go red. And then just hit OK. It filters all merchandise that are red. Pretty neat, huh? To reverse it, just hit Control Z. It just shows the data. Pretty slick. That's just one filter. You can filter endlessly. Experiment. You'll find that you can filter the data and work through this stuff nicely. It's a quick and easy method as opposed to what I call flat data, where you'd have to physically go up here and go A to Z, and you can't filter that cleanly. Speaking of that, you can also use this feature up here and just use A to Z, Z to A, whatever the highlighted feature is. So we have color, and we just hit A to Z, and you can see that we went from black to red, and then we can go Z to A. And then if you want to change that completely to its original, go A to Z, and everything's back in its normal format. Brad Williams, XL Prime, out. Williams out.